Hi, I'm Tom Lydon, editor of ETF Trends, here in Hollywood, Florida at the Inside ETF Conference. I'm here with Linda Zhang, who's head of research and senior portfolio manager at Windhaven. Linda, it's great to see you.
So nice to be here, Tom. Thank you for having me.
2016 is an important year for a lot of financial advisors. A lot of headwinds, but also some opportunities. What are some of the things that you're seeing at Windhaven right now?
Well, Windhaven is a global asset managers. We invest globally across asset classes. Definitely this has been a year of tremendous volatilities. U.S. equities has been challenged, obviously because we're in an environment where global liquidity is shrinking because of Fed's actions, and economic growth is in question, and oil companies clearly throw doubt on investors' mind.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean people should retreat and should not invest. We are still positive on the global economic growth. We are very happy to hear last Thursday that ECB Draghi, he is suggesting perhaps a fresh round of stimulus, and those things that will be near-term, at least near-term stimulative to risk assets.
Right. So here, U.S. Fed is saying maybe 4 rate hikes this year, and then here's Draghi, who was saying with the ECB we might continue in the monetary easing mode. What does that mean for not only currency but also the potential for equity markets?
That's right. You raise a very good point. Last year we have seen the divergence in central bank policies. They clearly have made a huge impact on the currency moves. What that means is, although outside the U.S. the monetary policy is on the easing side, which is stimulative to their equities, but for U.S.-based investors, if you do not hedge your positions outside the U.S., you may get hurt when you translate those foreign currencies into dollars. So we have seen that, for example, in Germany, right? German equities in local terms was up quite a bit, but when you translate it into dollar, you actually you incur a loss. So currency hedging decision is an unavoidable decision for investors. So this year it will probably be similar again.
So with that in mind, there are some great ETF issuers who have specific strategies, currency hedging strategies, and are these strategies that you use from time to time within the portfolios that you manage?
That's right. Windhaven has been a long user of currency hedge ETFs, so we use both. And when you on major currencies, we use yen denominated assets, currency hedge or unhedged. Similarly, we use euro. What's really interesting these days is there's some issuers who came out with a smarter version, I guess, of, in theory, there should be a smarter version of the traditional one. Traditional products, you either you don't hedge, which most of the international based ETFs are, or some products provide 100% hedged. These newer generation hedge products provide somewhere in between. It's a dynamically hedged. So it's quite interesting to see there are more tools available to investors.
Right. So ETF industry continues to grow, more dynamic, more tools, but as advisors and ETF asset managers, it requires a lot of research, and we appreciate, as one of the biggest ETF asset managers out there, everything that you're doing, and thanks again for sharing some thoughts and ideas for 2016.
Thank you for having me, Tom.